Hello from Slovenia again. Today we will create some flowers. And I'm working on this 8 by 8 inch MDF board that I painted with white already, and I will pour my base coat down. Today I mixed Decard satin enamel with my pouring medium to see how this will work out, and I have a ton of air bubbles. Okie doke. So first I will add some greenery around, and this is permanent green deep, and I will just go in kind of circles, adding green for the greenery around the flower. And I have some greenish yellow. Just drizzling, don't need to be precise, just to have some nice green around. And I will use my pipette because I will do dots. So I will start with Prussian blue. I love blue flowers in person, but they are not so common, at least in our part of the world, but I love them. Okay, that's it. And next one will be Extreme Sheen, Decart Extreme Sheen Sapphire. And I'm not using my pearl white mixture today. I don't know why, don't ask me, just thought let's do one without my pearl white. And next one will be greenish blue. It's easier if you put your paints in squeeze bottles. When you do this kind of pour. And phthalo blue. And now I will start with another layer, row, and I will go here between those first row of puddles, dots, however you want to call them. Okie doke. So I will spray my paper napkin with water to soften it up a little bit, but this one is already soft, so maybe doesn't need to. Put it down. Fold. Okay. Press. Now I will gather the corners. And the sides. And definitely I wanted my napkin to be a little softer, because I can already see I will have a little problem. Okay, and now I will spin this out. And I will leave it like it is. Those who know me, you know that I like to use my pearl white mixture for some lacing effects, but I wanted to do one without, that you will see the difference. So, as you can see, there is not a lot of 3D effect if you don't use pearl white to create kind of, you know, layering effect, or how can I say? Definitely a different one, but I want this, that you will, I want to do that because I want you to see why I use my pearl white. And on one of my next videos I will do one with the pearl white, that we can see the difference. So it's a beautiful flower anyway, but I kind of like me some lacing and effects to give it more of 3D look. So if I would add pearl white here, you know, it will look like that flower petals are more 3D than those are. You know what, I want one more spin. Yeah, I like this more now. So I will leave this one to dry. So here she is dry. I'm not mad at all. It's kind of cute flower. I like it, but I definitely like my pearl white that creates some kind of lacing and 3D effect. So but I really want to show you how it looks without pearl white. Yeah, I got some cells not lacing and this white because I used satin enamel mixture for my base. Yeah, it's an easy flower technique that you can try at home. It's cute, but I prefer with my pearl white mixture, and I will, in one of my next videos, I will do one with the pearl white that we will see a difference. So tell me what you think, how it looks without pearl white, and thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!